So what's going on, guys? It's your boy Liam here. In today's video, we are going to be doing, I would just type in the search bar, American plants mudding. That's it. So what we're going to be doing is, I'm going to be doing some off-roading. This is going to be the start of the series too, like what we're going to be doing in this game.
So yeah, guys, right now we're just driving over, I don't know what I'm doing. We're just gonna be driving over to my house because a lot of things go on in my house. I'm not too sure why, but basically I don't know what I'm gonna be doing the rest of this video. I'm just gonna show you guys how to get on Roblox and then go to my house, show you guys how to get the hidden vehicle. This video gets enough likes, but this is just going to be how to get to my house and then how to get on Roblox. So if you guys ever want to come to my house, you just have to go to this first one, and I'll show you guys a trail that I went through. So you just want to get through this first one, just go down to the very end, just like this. So basically, my house, basically nothing to do here other than ride four-wheelers and dirt bikes and whatever. So yeah, okay guys, so we're getting on our four-wheeler right now. I'm gonna be taking a trail over to this secret tunnel where you get this secret car. Right now I'm just driving over to it, like I said. You want to come up over here, you guys can just do whatever you want this game. Just flip my four-wheeler because I went down in a ditch for some reason. I don't know why we're driving down in a ditch, Liam. Yeah, but basically this game's so fun, guys. I rate this game about a 10 because I've had over 50 hours on it. I'll show you guys how to get on Roblox after this, but you just want to come through here. You kind of want to follow my trails because you can get off the trail a little bit. You don't want to come this way. I mistake because you'll get stuck on that bridge and it's just not good. You want to come back and you want to end up coming down this trail. And then this trail is fun because there's just a lot of bumps. There's some hard hills to come up and stuff, but let's just see. We have to go through some water right here. I don't like going through this water. Going through this water is like my nemesis. Like, I hate that water, like, because I get stuck in it every single time. So you have to go back down in it. Just remember that, guys. The game physics are pretty good, but my exhaust is fully in the water, and we still just got out. So you know that's great. I barely made it up this hill. As you can see, my speed just slowly goes down. You know. Okay, now we pick it up, and then. If you guys want more videos like this, just hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get to 1,000. We're heading over, right? This just leads you into town, kind of where I was at earlier. And then you see that tunnel right there. You ride down it. I wouldn't ride down it because I've done it before with the RZR. RZR, it's not the fastest thing. And then you want to come down here. It's not edited, guys. But you just want to come down here, press claim E, and then try this out for yourself, guys. It's fun. Go to hidden vehicles. I'm not going to ride it around so you guys can figure out how to do it on your own. And you guys can get it and watch this video and know how to get it. But, yeah, that's really it. And then I'll show you guys how to get Roblox on Windows. So, yeah.
So what you guys want to do is you're going to go to this, and then you're going to go to Roblox. You go to this, and that just spawns me in. But if I were to play a game, I'd go to it, I'd press on this, and then it would open Rope. It would ask you to just always accept Roblox link and stuff, and then download and install Roblox. You would want to download and install. You want to go up in here in your browser, open it. It might take about 5 minutes complete, and then you just click on any game you want. Set up your profile, log in, do whatever you guys need to do. But yeah, that's really it for this video. So see ya.